How to lock screen on MetaTrader for app. Do you guys want to protect your privacy on MetaTrader for app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open MetaTrader for app on your iPhone or laptop devices. Once you open the app, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for setting. Click on it. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Once you click on it, you can see the option for lock screen. Toggle this option. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna lock screen on MetaTrader for app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.